Over the last few weeks, we've had some really high temperatures in the UK, which is really lovely if you've got a day off and you're chilling at the beach, but it's not very nice for cars. Now, if you've got aircon on your car, that's a luxury and really nice, but it's still not very nice for your car that's trying to keep it running for you. Hot weather can affect the way that the car responds, it strains the car more, and it can be more sluggish when you try to pull away, and that can be hard sometimes when you're learning to drive. This short video is going to give you lots of tips and advice. Cars are like us. When they get very hot, they get sluggish. You need to keep a close eye on your temperature gauge. Here it's in the blue. You don't want it going up into the red because otherwise it will start to overheat. Make sure that your coolant level is good. If you've got aircon on your car, what a luxury on a day like today. But aircon uses more fuel. It definitely makes the car a little bit more sluggish. So imagine on a hot day, you've got the aircon on, which takes away a little bit of power from the car. You've got a hot day, which again makes the car a little bit sluggish. Imagine then you're trying to do hill starts. It can make it a bit sluggish, and then try to do that with maybe 4 or 5 people or maybe some heavy luggage in your car. The car will tend to drain a lot when that aircon is on or when it's hot, so make sure that you're using your accelerator more to help you move away. Think of your gas pedal as the water that you might need if you were sluggish. The gas pedal is what's going to hydrate your car. It's going to give that car the power to go. So if you were on a hot day and you were stuck in a traffic queue, the way that the car stays, or the engine stays cool, is by the airflow coming in through the grille at the front. Keeping your engine coolant at the right level obviously is important. But if you were stuck in a traffic queue, sorry, that keeps going out of focus. If you were stuck in a traffic queue, then the airflow can't come in through the grille. It's obviously nothing coming in. Now, if you've got a stop-start system on your car, when you come to a stop, if you haven't got the aircon on, chances are your car will turn itself off, which will stop it hopefully from overheating. But of course, if you've got your aircon on, what will happen is the engine needs to stay on to keep your engine, your aircon running. And obviously, again, that's when the car will start to overheat. So if you get stuck in a traffic queue or anything where the traffic isn't moving for a while and your car hasn't turned off with start-stop system, my advice to you is to open your windows and turn your engine off. That way, hopefully the engine will cool down a little bit, but at least the engine won't be running and it will be less chance of overheating. And make sure that you put it on the recycling air setting, because what this does is it just keeps chilling the air that's already been chilled once. If you don't have it on the recycling setting, what it's doing is it's taking in the hot air from outside, trying to cool it, and then constantly taking hot air from outside, constantly trying to cool it. Whereas if you have it on the recycling, it's just re-chilling air that's already been chilled. Look after your car on the hot days, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to see some more videos.